One of the major reasons why people use EndNote in their writing workflow is its ability to create properly formatted citations and bibliographies at an instant. In this video, I will be showing you how you can effortlessly generate citations and bibliographies using the Cite while you write function in EndNote. While EndNote works with a number of word processors such as Microsoft Word, LibreOffice, Papers, and OpenOffice, for the purpose of this video, I will only be showing you how EndNote's Cite while you write works with Microsoft Word. In terms of the number of citation styles available, there are over 6,000 citation styles. Most of them are based off actual journal citation styles, so you should be able to find the citation style you need. EndNote works with Microsoft Word using the Cite while you write plugin, which is installed automatically when you install EndNote. I will show you later in this video how to check if EndNote Cite while you write plugin is installed properly. When you're using the Cite while you write function, please do not edit mistakes in references in Microsoft Word directly. Instead, go to your EndNote library to make changes to the reference. As EndNote works with Microsoft Word through some embedded codes, you should strip your Word document of the EndNote codes before submission or sharing, as these codes may cause issues with submission or when it is edited by someone else. There are three ways you can insert citations into your Word document using EndNote. The first method is the find citation method. The second method is the insert selected citation method. And the final method is what we in the reference management team call from the EndNote library method. For this video, I will only be showing the find citation method as it is the most intuitive method to use. However, before I show you how to insert citations and bibliographies using EndNote, you will need to make sure that the EndNote plugin is properly installed on your Microsoft Word. To check that your EndNote plugin is properly installed, open Microsoft Word. If there is an EndNote tab in your Microsoft Word ribbon as seen in the screenshots, then the EndNote plugin is properly installed. If the EndNote tab is not there, then you may have to reinstall EndNote again. Inserting citations using EndNote Cite while you write is pretty simple. First, make sure EndNote and your Microsoft Word document are open. Next, make sure that instant formatting is turned on. Once you have ensured that instant formatting is turned on, select where you want to add the citation in your Microsoft Word document. I am using APA 7 edition for this demonstration. Once you have selected the location, click on the EndNote X9 tab and select Insert Citation. A pop-up will appear. Search for the reference you want to cite by searching for the author's name, title of the reference, or year. Select the reference you want to insert and click on Insert. EndNote will insert the citation and the bibliography at the end of the Word document. For people who are using footnote citation styles like Chicago 16 edition, the steps are largely similar. First, select where you want to insert the citation in your Word document. Once you have selected the location, click on References in your Microsoft Word ribbon and then select Insert a footnote to manually create a footnote. Once you have done that, click on the EndNote X9 tab and select Insert Citation. Search for the citation you want to add and click on Insert. EndNote will insert the citation in the footnote and a bibliography. You can also add more than one reference in a single citation. To do so, first add the first reference. Once you have done so, make sure that you do not leave any space in the Word document and add another reference. Click on Insert Citation and search for the second reference you want to add. EndNote will automatically join the references into a single citation based on the citation style you are using. You can add as many references as you want or need. Deleting citations in EndNote is relatively straightforward. To delete citations from your Word document, click on Edit and Manage Citation in the EndNote X9 tab. A pop-up will appear with the list of citations you added into the Word document. Search for the citation you want deleted. Once you have located it, click on the drop-down menu besides Edit Reference. Select Remove Citation. The citation and the accompanying bibliography entry will be removed from your Word document. We do not recommend removing the citation by deleting it manually from the Word document. Some of you may be asking, how do I add page numbers or remove author's name in EndNote? Do not worry, you can do that in EndNote. Just a point to note, if your citation style does not require page numbers or removing the author's name, it will not be reflected in your Microsoft Word document. To add page numbers or remove the author's name, click on Edit and Manage Citation. A pop-up will appear and then search for the citation you want to add page numbers or remove the author's name. To add page numbers, just key in the page numbers in the Pages field. You can also add prefixes and suffixes. To remove author's name, click on the Formatting drop-down menu and select the appropriate option. In most cases, that will be author (year) option. To show that this function works, I am just going to add a page number in this citation. Sometimes you need to change the citation style of your document. Changing citation style is not difficult in EndNote. To change style, go to the EndNote X9 tab, click on the Style drop-down menu and select the style that you want. If the style you want is not there, select another style and then search for the style you want. Once you have chosen the style you want, EndNote will change the citation style accordingly. For this demonstration, I am going to use IEEE citation style to show you that it works. You can also change the bibliography title and the formatting of your bibliography in EndNote. To do so, click on the small icon in the EndNote X9 tab and select Layout. You can change the bibliography title, the font, and the font size of your bibliography. For Mac users, the interface is slightly different. What you will need to do is click on Configure Bibliography and then select Layout. Finally, after you are done with your document and you are ready to submit it or send it to someone else, we highly recommend that you remove the EndNote codes. This will prevent your Word document from being corrupted when someone edits the document and the EndNote codes. To remove the EndNote codes, make sure you save a copy of the Word document. Go to your EndNote X9 tab and select Convert Citations and Bibliographies. You will then select Convert to Plain Text. EndNote will then generate a new Word document without the EndNote codes. Save this Word document and use this version for submission or to send it to someone else for editing. For Mac users, save the Word document first, then click on Tools in the EndNote X9 tab, select Convert to Plain Text, and a new Word document without the EndNote codes will be generated. Use this version to send it to someone else for editing or for submission. I hope that this video has shown you how to insert citations and bibliographies into your Word document using EndNote's Cite while you write function. Please visit our EndNote library guide if you want to know more about using EndNote. You can also email us at uskalib@nus.edu.sg for further assistance.